Okay, Tom, we will go now.
Be good and stay safe at home. Let me fix your shirt, Tom.
Thank you, Mom. I look nice.
Here are the keys. I will lock the door. Remember, always lock it too. We are leaving now.
We will come back tomorrow.
Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. I will be fine.
Bye, Tom.
We love you, Tom.
Let's go, dear.
Yes, the street is so quiet.
The door closes slowly. The house becomes quiet.
The lock clicks. The door is secure now.
I can do this. I will be careful.
The living room is calm and bright. The doorbell rings in the quiet house. A pizza delivery person waits at the door.
Hello, I am coming. 1 second.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you. It smells great. Here is the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, I got the pizza. I feel proud. It smells so good. I am so hungry. I will put it here on the table. Careful, it is hot. Okay, let's open it. Wow, pizza.
Steam rises from the hot pizza.
Look at the cheese. It is so long. This is my favorite. I am so happy. I will sit down now. Time to eat. 1 slice on the plate. Nice and neat. I will eat on the couch. So comfy. Yum! This is so good. I love pizza. All done. My plate is empty.
The room is peaceful after dinner. Night come. The street is dark and quiet.
Good. No one is here. I will be careful. That house looks easy. I will watch first. Now I move closer. Slowly, quietly. No lights outside. Perfect. The handle, it turns. Good.
The door opens a little with a soft creak.
I am inside. Stay silent.
Shoes step onto the floor with almost no sound.
Nice. This is easy. I will take good things.
The kitchen is dim and still.
Let me check these cabinets. Maybe snacks, maybe money. Ah, snacks. I will take them. This bag is useful. I can carry more. The fridge. Open. What do we have? Juice. I will drink this. So good. I was thirsty.
Crumbs fall to the floor and make a small mess. Dirty footprints appear on the clean floor.
Now upstairs. More valuable things are there.
I want some water. I will go to the kitchen. Huh, what is that sound? I feel strange. Shoe prints? These are not mine. Who walked here? This is scary. Oh no. Someone is in my house. The prints go that way. I must be careful. I will walk slowly. No noise. I will peek just a little. Please be safe. I see a man. He is a thief. Hide, Tom, hide. Stay quiet. Okay, think, Tom. I need help. My hands are shaking. But I must call. The stairs. He may go upstairs.
Upstairs now. I will find jewelry.
Hello, police. A thief is in my house.
A siren is faint, far away.
I must move quietly. I will hide. I will make a simple trap, just to slow him down. I will hide here. Please come fast.
This room. Let me open it. Wow, a jewelry box. Jackpot. Necklaces, rings, all mine. What was that creak? Someone is here? I will go out now. Quick. Whoa. My foot. I fell. Ouch. I can't stand well. This hurts. Oh no? Police? I must run.
A police car stops outside the house.
I am Officer Sam. I will check the house now.
The door swings open.
Stay calm. I am inside. Where are you, kid? I see the thief. Hands up. Turn around. You are under arrest.
Okay. I surrender.
Tom, it is safe now.
Thank you. I was scared. I am here, officer.
Good job. Stay close.
Police lights flash outside in the quiet night.
This bag is yours. He took these things.
Thank you, Officer Sam. I will give it back to my parents. I feel safe now. I can breathe again.
Tom, are you okay?
My baby, are you hurt? Come here, Tom.
We are so sorry.
He is safe now.
Thank you for helping my son. I will lock the door now. Double lock, always.
Windows are locked. Everything is safe.
We are together now.
Home is safe again.
The house is quiet and warm under the stars.